Guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Shoshi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a DIY hair mask for dry, frizzled and damaged hair. Very easy, you just need to have few ingredients which are easily available at your homes. This hair mask, besides moisturizing your hair, will also make your hair smooth, soft and shiny. So the main ingredient of this mask are the ripe bananas. The riper the bananas, the better it is for your hair and scalp. So before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and let's just jump right into the video. For this hair mask, I used 4 ripe bananas because I really have long hair and I've cut them into pieces. 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Then I have added castor oil. If you don't have castor oil, you can use olive oil or coconut oil. And then I have added 3 tablespoons of honey. The amount of these ingredients are obviously going to depend on your hair length. You can use a blender to blend the ingredients well. Just make sure that the mask should have a really smooth, fine and creamy paste. Otherwise, you'll end up having banana chunks on your hair and they are pretty hard to get out. You can see how frizzy my hair looks now because it's been a couple of days since I washed my hair. Firstly, I am dividing my hair and removing all the tangles by combing my hair so that the application of this mask becomes easy. Now I'm going to share the importance of these ingredients, that why this mask is so beneficial if your hair is dry, frizzled and weak. Bananas are great for your hair and scalp. They improve manageability and shine to your hair and also moisturizes your scalp. They are rich in potassium, which strengthens your hair. It contains natural oils, carbohydrates and vitamins which help soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. It also regulates oil production. Bananas also have antimicrobial properties that can heal flaky and dry scalp, relieving dandruff symptoms. I have also used banana peel as the skin contains high amounts of vitamin B6 and B12 as well as potassium, carbohydrates, minerals, magnesium and natural antioxidants which neutralizes free radicals to keep hair strong and healthy. It also makes your hair soft and shinier. Yogurt is full of protein that offers nourishment which the hair needs for proper growth and health. It is a multivitamin rich food which contains high levels of lactic acid that is quite beneficial to treat dull and damaged hair. Yogurt also has antifungal properties that help fight dandruff. It also prevents hair loss. Yogurt is also great for cleansing the scalp and clearing away the dead skin cells to help your hair grow properly. Castor oil is rich in vitamin E and it is the best oil to enrich your scalp. It contains ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids which improves your hair growth. Castor oil helps to make the hair roots stronger and prevent hair fall. Castor oil improves hair follicle health and increases the rate of hair growth. Honey is a great hair moisturizer which provides nourishment for your hair, and it also has the quality to smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. It restores shine to your hair, improves condition of natural hair, reduces frizz, softens the hair, it seals in moisture. Then you're going to rinse it off very well. Also, you can use your regular shampoo and conditioner. So you guys can see the full result of applying this mask. I love how soft and shiny and lightweight my hair is. It was so easy to brush through. To get the best results for this mask, you guys need to use this mask for at least thrice a month if you have really damaged and frizzy hair. DIY hair masks are so real and your hair is getting that real nourishment from it. I love to use natural DIY hair mask on my hair because you can be so sure that it doesn't have silicone or any artificial products in it. This mask doesn't stink, but it does smell like banana. As time flows, this mask is going to turn brown in color because it has banana in it, but you don't have to worry because it's not going to change your hair color. And yeah, if you try this out, let me know in the comment section below about your feedback. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. But you don't have to worry because So the main ingredient of this mask are the ripe bananas, the ripe big, 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 big. And let's judge.